Welcome back to part 5. Alright, this is our mastering session. What we're going to do here is, first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at our waveform. Press play on this. Okay. You see there's lots of spikes in there. That's good. You don't want to see a big block like you normally would see at the end of the mastering process. You just want to see a nice waveform, some peaks. You can see the kicks and the snares are most likely there. You don't want to crush them too much when we compress. And let's take a look at our mastering bus right at the end. Alright, so here we go. What I've got here, we can take a look at it. This is my usual chain. Depending if the track needs a lot of work, then it changes. Typically, this is what I'm working with. I have an instant of Ozone 5 for mastering suite, and I have the sausage fattener, or some kind of, the BBE sonic maximizer, something like that. It's like a limiter for certain frequencies. And then I have a general limiter to basically get the track as close to zero as I possibly can. So, let's look at Ozone 5 and we'll see what I got here. I got an equalizer setup here. Notice I have a nice boost here around 64 to get the bass kicking. And then I got a little shelf here at the end to get those highs up, and a couple little peaks here to make it sound nice and pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn all this off and let you hear what the EQ's doing. That's the EQ. With it off. So it's giving me a little bit of a boost. Notice I got 2 dBs here for that boost at the end. I never go more than 2. If I have to go more than 2, then I'll remix the track. There's no need to go more than 2 dBs when you're mastering. You're just going to mess up the signal. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to look at the compression I have here. So it's a 3-band compressor, multi-compressor here. I got about 3 dBs of gain reduction here, and I'm giving it about 6 of gain, so I'm boosting the signal in the bass to get some more push. In my low mids to mid frequencies here, I'm getting about 1 dB of gain reduction, and I'm giving it 6, so I'm pushing that up a little hotter too. Getting rid of some of those peaks and giving it some boost. And same here, I'm getting about 1.5 to 2 dBs of gain here, and I'm giving it 6. So I'm raising the overall volume using compression. I'm just going to drop this down a little bit. I don't want to peak out too much. Beautiful. Great. Fantastic. Good. Now, let's go to our sausage fat. Oh, one more thing here. Should show you this. Harmonic exciter. Okay, a little bit on the bottom, a little in the mids, 0.7. Not much is happening here, which is a good thing. Then we're going to go to our limiter. Okay, now if you take a listen, I'm not limiting that much. Much happening here. It's good. You see here, I'm getting about plus 4 dBs. Good. Let's go to this sausage fattener. Take a look here. There we go. Make it a little bit thicker. Last in the chain, we have our limiter. Now with our limiter, generally I try to go between 4 to 6 dBs of gain reduction. So I got this set to 0.3, usually 0.1. Today I'm going to go 0.3 because this track seems hot. So I'm just going to drop this down a little more. better. Make sure that when you're limiting, you're listening to those kicks, the snares, and the bass. If they start to sound a little flat, you've limited too much, and then release it. Let that threshold get smaller and smaller. Good, excellent. This is our track. So, crank up your system and hear what it sounds like. I'm Rico, and this is episode 1, and I'm out. I'll see you soon. Later.